Welcome to the incredible land of India, a country that spans diverse landscapes, climates, and cultures. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the fascinating geography of India. Starting in the north, India is home to the majestic Himalayas, the tallest mountain range in the world. These towering peaks stretch across five Indian states: Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh, acting as a natural barrier that influences the climate and cultures of the region. From the snow capped mountains, several of India's great rivers begin their journey. The Ganges, often referred to as the lifeline of India, flows through the northern plains, nourishing the fertile lands of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. Moving west, we encounter the Thar Desert, a vast arid region that spans Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat. Despite its harsh climate, the Thar is home to vibrant cultures and historical cities like Jaisalmer, which stands as a golden beacon in the sands. Heading south, the Western Ghats greet us with their lush green forests and rich biodiversity. This mountain range runs parallel to the western coast, creating diverse ecosystem that has been designated as one of the world's eight hottest hotspots of biological diversity. Further down, in the southern state of Kerala, the serene backwaters weave through lush landscapes, offering a tranquil contrast to the bustling cities. Kerala's geography has earned it the title God's own country. The eastern coast of India, along the Bay of Bengal, is home to the fertile coastal plains and the unique ecosystem of the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world, shared with Bangladesh and known for its Royal Bengal tigers. Off the mainland, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal, while the Lakshadweep Islands dot the Arabian Sea. These islands are known for their pristine beaches, coral reefs, and indigenous tribes that have inhabited these lands for centuries. At the heart of the country lies the Deccan Plateau, a vast elevated region that spans central and southern India. This ancient landform, rich in minerals, supports some of India's oldest and most significant cultural sites.
India's geography is not just about the land, it's about how the land shapes its people. From the cold deserts of Ladakh to the tropical forests of the northeast, and from the bustling cities on the coasts to the tranquil villages in the heartland, India's geography nurtures a rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions.